Hi, welcome back. This is Becky Taylor, your media specialist. And I just want to take a few moments to give you some up-to-dates on what's going on in the Mediaplex and how you guys can take advantage of the space. It's a wonderful space, and I hope that you guys are using it. So I'm just going to go over a few things that we have to offer. First, we have a large collection of books. You can schedule visits. We make book recommendations, offer resources, wonderful library spaces, and also how I can be used to support what you're doing in your classroom. Each year when we order books, we work on creating and enlarging our diversity in authors and characters. We also know that graphic novels are extremely popular with our kids, so we've been working on creating the same with our graphic novel collection. Also, we partner with the Indianapolis Public Library to bring library cards to our students and also bring more books into the hands of kids to help strengthen the collection. You can schedule visits. If you're an ELA teacher, we strongly encourage that you bring your classes down to check out books. We can cater that visit to your needs. If you want lessons, you're just there to check out books. If you want book talks, let us know and we will customize a visit to you and your students. If you want us to pull books before your visit, we're more than happy to do that. Let us know what you're looking for. We also provide overdue lists before your visits so the students are prepared to bring back books so that they can check out new books. Just contact your media secretary and we'll get that set up for you. We are working harder on book recommendations. The kids, as you know, are very, very much into their Diary Wimpy Kid, Amulet, graphic novels, and so on. And we have so many more books to offer. So every month we'll have a display and it will be a genre of the month. Hopefully that will help. We do offer series lists on the shelves so the kids know what books are in a series and what order they should be read in. We have shelf talkers, which are QR codes, which takes them to book trailers. We have posters around the Mediaplex. If you like this book, try this one poster. We have book ratings on the student canvas and on Instagram. And this year, I'm hoping to add book talk videos to the student canvas as well. We also provide many resources. I can be reached anytime for help with resources, but some of the quick go-to resources, we have Destiny and also Canvas. In Destiny, it's destiny.warren.k12.in.us. Once you're there, you'll select your school. Let's just head over here to Stony Brook. And this will bring you to a virtual page, and you can choose your grade level, and it will take you to different rooms for different resources depending on your grade level. And so here there are resources, there are apps, books that can be found online, Young Hoosier books. I strongly recommend Young Hoosier books if you're looking for a large diversity collection there. And also some fun things here and there that the kids can click on. We do also have a student canvas page, and this is located in the navigation bar to the side once the students go into a course. Again, we have the different libraries available through here. We have resource buttons for them. Last year we had a book club with the Young Hoosier books where we had discussions online and the kids can join anytime. And then these are those recommendations, those book recommendations that I would read and then give them a blurb about it and then let them know how many books I rated and what grade levels it would be perfect for. Let's see, and then we also have on the student canvas page down at the bottom, I also have choice boards that the students are more than welcome to use when they have some downtime. This is May's choice board, and we had the Inventors of the Month. May the 4th be with you. We celebrated Cartoonist Day on May 5th. So those are always available for kids to go to and check out. On the teacher canvas page, again, I'm going to use what we used the last one in May, and every month I do an update. And in the updates, I let you know what events are happening virtually that your kids can join. A lot of author visits, but not all of them are author visits. Other teachers can take advantage of some of these field trips also. And so, yeah, so whatever is going on virtually, I will let you know. If we have author visits, I would definitely let you know. Resources, how-to videos, books, library, I up the update those monthly as well. So make sure you check those out each month. We have several library spaces to take advantage of. We have all the Mediaplexes have a SciComm lab and a collaborative lab. And then each school depends after that on what spaces are available. We also offer quiet spaces for students to come down and read or work, whatever their needs are as well. If you want to know more about the SciComm lab or collaborative lab, please let me know, and I'm happy to help you with what is going on in those spaces. I'm always here to help. I love to help. If you guys need help, need resources, I help with instruction of digital citizenship, information literacy, book suggestions. I do pop-up book clubs for monthly updates. This year I'll be doing PDs on read-alouds. If you want to connect with professionals outside your classroom, please let me know. I'm always happy to help. The easiest way to get a hold of me is by email. Before I leave you, a couple of books that have very recently came out that I really think are wonderful books and can help you in the classroom as well. Paradise on Fire, fantastic book. If you are familiar with Jessica Parker Rhodes, this is her granddaughter, Jewel Parker Rhodes, and this book is beautifully written about urban kids going out camping, and there is a huge wildfire. You start getting into the science of climate control and can lead to wonderful lessons in the classroom. 8th graders are really hard to find books for. They're looking for more of a mature content. And so this one, I Must Betray You, I highly recommend that you follow the life of a 17-year-old boy who lives in Romania during the 1980s. And how they lived in communism. I can't even speak today, but it's a great book and I highly recommend it for some good reads. Again, I'm Becky Taylor, your media specialist. If there's anything I can do to help, please let me know. I'm happy to come by anytime. Thank you.